Hey, so I've been seeing these little LED lights on TikTok. Yeah, hello, sorry. PC Chai here. Welcome to PC Chai TV. So as I was saying, I've been seeing these small LED lights on TikTok. So I bought it to see what is this, and is it really making your video bright, or is it really making your pictures bright? So I bought it. So let's read the description first. So they said features 3 light mode, rechargeable battery, spring loaded clip, charging time 1 to 2 hours, so it charges fast, usage time 30 minutes. 30 minutes, is it worth it? Let's see. So LED cube lights, then Spanish wood. So let's open it. Let's see. Look at it. So I think here you're going to clip it to your phone. It's charged already. I charged it before making this video. Okay, before I fling the carton, so we have your cord so that you can charge with it. So let's on it. There's 2 switch here. Okay, that's the on button, the on. So this is almost like a bigger LED light that has these 2. So I think this other one is to increase or decrease. So increase or decrease. So let's check it out. Let me place it on my phone and do a video. I will off my light source, like the light source I'm using to make this video, and let's see if this is worth it. It can make your video quality better. So let me off my light source. Let me off all my light source. So sorry, my light source is off. So let's try this again. Let's try this. Can you see my face? It's the highest. So let me place it on my phone. Let me place it on my phone. Okay, let me come closer. Backward. Is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So tell me in the comment section, is it worth it? Over me, compared to my other lights, man. This is probably, you just want to make a quick video and you don't have that strength to set up your ring lights or your LED light. You can just use this for a short video. That's because the time, as I said, the usage time is 30 minutes, so you can use it for a long video. So that's why I said a quick video, use it and make your video. For those that don't have enough money to buy a bigger LED light, you can buy this and be using for the meantime. Yes, you can buy this. At least it is something. It is something. So if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for you to be the first one to get notified when I post a new video.